Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the HP X206C pen drive. And it's a dual pen drive. That means on one side you get the Type A USB connector and on the other side you get Type C USB connector. And I just got this from Amazon, guys, and the price of this particular pen drive is expensive. You all can check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon for about 1350 rupees. And as you can see, this is the first time I have seen an HP pen drive with this nice boxy round cutted design, and it just looks like amazing. And as you can see, it got this same rotating mechanism, and it is very clicky also. And I feel HP have done a great job when it comes to build quality and the functionality of this particular pen drive. And it is very compact and tiny. As you can see over here, the actual pen drive is very small, and which I really like, and the weight is quite less also. And let me just show you a close overview of this particular pen drive, and you can definitely rotate this with one hand. And personally, I used to like HP pen drive, and especially they are very good at designing it. And let me see how this feels actually after doing the speed test. And I got the 128 GB variant because I just wanted to do a fair test comparison between this and others. And as you know, the build quality is quite good. I'm pressing with my full force, guys, over here, and there is no flex in the body whatsoever. And personally, these are the small tiny little changes what HP have done, which I'm really liking it. Especially the color and the design of this particular pen drive is fabulous. And if you are a HP person, then if you like to get this particular pen drive, you all can check out the link in the description. And this is coming with USB 3.2 128 GB. And in my case, guys, I feel this is one of the best pen drives. Again, for speed test comparison, I'm using the Crystal Diskmark, and I'm doing speed test of many pen drives on this particular channel. So make sure that you all are subscribed to it. If you all are looking for pen drive related videos, you all can also check out other videos in the description or in the cards over here. Just if you would like to have a look at the other pen drives, how they fare as well. And let me know in the comments below, guys, which pen drive should I compare this HP X206C. The name is slightly bit confusing, but I think HP does very good job when it comes to naming their pen drives. The X series, I believe, is one of the best series which HP is ever having. And personally speaking, guys, HP have not sponsored this particular video, so I have just purchased this pen drive with my own money, and I'm doing the speed test, so I'm not biased towards HP or something. And personally speaking, I did not like the speed of the HP pen drives in the past because they were very slow, and even the USB 3 pen drives were behaving like USB 2, which in my case I was not recommending HP pen drive previously. But seeing the build quality and the design of the X206C, I feel this is a pen drive which I can blindly recommend to all the HP lovers. And HP, personally, I have tested many pen drives, and I hope this is one of the fastest. This is giving me around 105 Mbps read speed. And if you like this kind of videos, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. Also, we are very active on social media, so do follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at the rate creativesoft, which would be helping my channel a lot. Let me know in the comments below what you think about purchasing this pen drive, or you all are just thinking of skipping this and going for other pen drives. So I have put a link in the description to get this particular pen drive for about 1350. And now, as you can see, the pen drives cost have bit increased. Maybe it is around 1700. For 1700, I don't recommend this pen drive, but if you are getting anything less than 1500, maybe in the link in the description, you all can check out. If you are getting this for a discounted price, guys, please do go for this particular pen drive. And there are other pen drives also which are good looking as well, but I'm saying when it comes to build quality and this boxy rounded design, and which fits perfectly in most of the pens. And you can use this personally as a keychain, because I've been using this for about 2 to 3 days as my primary pen drive with a keychain, and it fares well. Okay, another thing what I would like to discuss is the heating of this particular pen drive. Now, being a metal pen drive, guys, you all should keep in mind that the pen drives which are made from metal are definitely going to get heated up. But I feel compared to other pen drives, this is getting heated less. When I check this with my temperature gun, I got a reading between 38 to 39 degrees, which was definitely below 40 degrees. And I checked it with multiple testing temperature gun, and I just found the results to be less than. Sometimes it was showing around like 37 also. So multiple times when I checked the temperature, it was less than 40. Whereas if you see the competitors, they go to 45 to 48 or 49 degrees sometimes. In my case, I feel this is the least heating pen drive which I came across, especially the metal one, because the metal one usually emits heat because they dissipate more heat and their body acts like a heat sink, which helps them to last a bit longer. So if you're looking for a HP pen drive which comes with two ports which you can connect with your MacBook as well as your normal laptop, television, and car and all, so this is the pen drive to get, guys, because you can readily download any content from your smartphone and maybe an Android phone or an iPhone, and then transfer it on this particular pen drive, and you can use it across devices like television and all. Especially I'm using this particular pen drive with my TV, and it does not get heated whatsoever when I even connect it to the TV for maybe more than like around 2 to 3 days. And sometimes I'm watching the reels, etc., some funny videos which I have saved on the pen drive. And this is one of the best use case scenario of this, especially if you like to download something like kids content and all, and some nursery rhyme and all, and you all just want to show your kids on the TV instead of phone. So this is the best pen drive for that, especially if you want to get some other content for especially audio calls and all, which you would like to keep as a backup from your phone which you have recorded. So that makes this perfect pen drive and very handy pen drive, guys. And especially the build quality and the design, I can say several times, like this is one of the best HP pen drives which I have used, and comes with a dual port, so you don't have to bother much about it. And definitely y'all can check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And also let me know in the comments below, should I compare this particular pen drive with other pen drives of other manufacturer, which already I have done videos. And as you can see, the write speed is 74.03, which is very fast, guys, especially for HP. This is very fast pen drive. And having a read speed of 100 Mbps, write speed of around 75 Mbps is a very good sign. This is the pen drive, especially from HP, which I would blindly recommend to anybody who is looking for a stylish pen drive. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel to get any future updates. Also check out these awesome videos which we have it regarding with that pen drive, and let me know in the comments below what you think about this HP pen drive X206. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.